I am Chao Chen Kid Jackie. I'm now 22 years old. I am studying in City University for an ADCEM program. I go to church every Sunday, and they are my friends. I love sports, especially football. They are my teammates. And I love running too. This photo was taken last year. Also, I work for a part-time job in Sha Tin. I joined the SI Leader course after school. And we usually go to library to do revision together. This summer, I joined a summer course, which is about photo taking and Photoshop, and they are my products. Our course provides us many site visits, and I see many machines in the site, and I realize that the real situation and to prepare for our future. See, we were walking to the site. We went to Poly University to do a training this summer. We have lesson and training. I gained many skills from the practical training. We do scaffold, formwork, and learn more about block. I joined the orientation camp last summer, and I make many friends. We have many gatherings together, and we built up a good friendship. See, we were visiting the hall of City University. It is the end. Thanks for watching.